Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This episode we're gonna reorganize the shelf behind me. We're gonna install some more grow lights, especially here between. And then yeah, I hope you're gonna enjoy it and you're gonna spend time with me doing that. If you have some comments, please write down below. And yeah, welcome back. So I hope you don't mind when light is just a little bit low today. I don't have a very good lights at my apartment and it's super dark outside. So it's currently evening and I decided to make some video because I was really waiting for this grow lights. And I really wanted record something new for you guys and for myself. So we're gonna install this here. So all of the smaller plants gonna go here, and then I also can manage to better direction of the grow light, which is above. So that's what we're gonna do. I have been make some plant chores yesterday, so most of the plants they are already watered. Yes, this vinyl it's broken, that's why it's without any cover and it's like a decoration. This shelf I have been cleaned yesterday because I really want to be prepared for the installation of the light. So now we're gonna do it. So this is the light I bought. It's like strip. So I'm gonna install it. It's with the like tape on it. So have around 6,000 kelvins. So I hope it's gonna help my plants because it was very bad period for them. So I'm gonna try to put this on the shelf. It's supposed to be like 2 meters. I think it's gonna be even more. I think it's 3 meters. Well, we'll see about that. This is actually super easy. And I think it's gonna be enough for 2 meters. Yeah, it's gonna be just a little bit more. I don't know what I'm gonna do with that. Maybe I can actually put here. Yeah, that's it. That was extremely simple. Awesome. I'm very happy so far. Looks great. Okay, so now for sure I'm gonna bring their like very small plants. So we're gonna start with something can cover those cables. I would say need to be something very, very good. Maybe snake plant. Can actually do it. For sure I need to put my lamp for fungus nuts. I think I will just do it like that. And it's gonna be covered by something. So this is gonna be for sure up. So first I will make some space and bring some more small plants here. There's my Hoya. And then we're gonna take for sure Hoya lacunosa. And some cactus plants. I think they are kind of small. Okay, okay. Hoya New Guinea Ghost. For sure here. Then maybe this one is gonna look good here. Like that. Okay. Here we're gonna place some small another plant. And another one. Oh my god, now it's gonna be so good because it's gonna be so much space for that. Okay. It would be nice to just put this something above. Something like that. And then we can have another one. Maybe this one here. Looks kind of good. Hoya publicalyx. We can place here. It's not standing really stable. Maybe I'm gonna go like that. Okay. Then we have another Hoya here. Perfect. And I think I can just put even two more plants, which it's gonna be. Let me check in the window. For sure, we're gonna go with my Pinatum because it's very cute. And I really like this plant and I want this to grow even more. Okay, okay. Yes, and then something else. Maybe my Hoya Oreogena. She's super dusty. I should clean her. Yeah, this is automatically looks good for me. I think I can fit even more here, which I will be very happy to do it, to be honest. And I think it's gonna be this one. Perfect. Something else. Or maybe that's it, actually. That was extremely fast. You can see difference between this light and this light. This is such a much warmer, which is fine, and this is so much brighter, which is also fine. So now I have actually full set, and I can just put higher plants here, so the lights from up can actually reach out them. So yeah, I think it's totally fine now. I really like it. Okay, thank you so much for being here. I hope you enjoy it. That was actually very fast action. I thought this video was gonna be longer, but yeah, I mean, that's the kind of thing. If you need some better setup, there is not a lot of work. You can just order lights and just set them, and then your plant's gonna be very thankful for that. Thank you so much for watching this video, and see you soon in the next one.